Description in business, lead generation is basically the first introduction of consumer awareness or interest into various products or services of an organization. Leads can also be generated for specific purposes like email list building, direct mail list acquisition, or for cold calling sales leads. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about lead generation strategies. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. It is considered to be one of the most effective ways of obtaining new potential clients and customers. However, it is often underused by many companies because of the time-consuming process involved. Time-consuming lead generation can be rather tiresome and frustrating. Some of the techniques used for lead generation may include telephone, face-to-face, and newspaper advertisements. The telephone method is used for initial marketing initiatives. A marketing executive will make phone calls to potential customers and establish relationships based on those interactions. This method generally targets individuals who have recently purchased products or services and are looking for more information about the products. These are the ideal candidates for product promotions. Another lead generation technique is to send out promotional materials, like brochures or business cards, to warm leads. These warm leads can be prospected using a variety of methods including face-to-face, telemarketing, or cold calling. Telemarketing campaigns are generally designed to call potential customers and representatives to present information about the products and services offered by the company. This process is considered to be less expensive, but some professionals believe that warm leads generated through these methods are not very reliable because of the possibility of being influenced by promotional sales pitches. Face-to-face lead generation can take place through direct meetings, telephonic conferences, or workshops. It is a less expensive way to generate leads but is less effective because there is no chance to interact with the lead. Cold calling is another effective way to generate leads. Many companies hire professional companies to run lead gen campaigns because it is an effective method to generate leads at a low cost. Lead generation through content marketing is also a popular way of generating leads. Content marketing involves writing blog articles, creating videos, and submitting them to various directories. The articles should contain information about the company and its products and services. Once published, these articles reach a large number of people who may be interested in buying the products and services provided by the company. Another lead generation technique is by making contact with existing customers. This can take the form of telemarketing or regular mail. Many companies create a list of targeted leads by collecting contact information from clients and customers. This contact information can then be sent to the company's marketing department for the promotion of the products and services. Some marketers use lead generation software to automate the collection of contact information and distribution of information to sales leads. Another effective lead generation strategy is through email marketing. This can also be automated. Companies can create lead generators in-house or outsource the task to experts. Some use social media marketing to generate leads as this method involves creating valuable relationships with customers. When a customer contacts the lead company, it provides them with useful information about the company and sends them to the lead generation page that contains valuable information. The last lead generation strategy is online lead generation through social media marketing. Social media marketing allows the creation of blogs and websites where businesses can post information and interact with their customers. This method is also popularly referred to as Web 2.0 lead generation. Companies that have established a presence on the social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn can greatly benefit from this type of lead generation strategy. Through the use of Twitter and Facebook, businesses can significantly increase their customer base and overall visibility. Thanks for watching my video about lead generation strategies. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.